because this video today is not about me. It's about her. Yes, it's all about you, isn't it? I got Little Sweet Potato, her very first BarkBox, and I'm really excited to unbox it. I don't know what's in it. I did wait for a double size box offer, which means that it comes with like twice as much stuff in it as it normally would, but I've been wanting an excuse to try BarkBox for a really long time, and I finally was just like, you know what? Let's do it. And you know why? Because I can do an unboxing video with Miss Gracie. So I don't know how this video is gonna go, but we're gonna try an unboxing video with my dog. Come here, boo-boo. Look, there's a box for you. Come here. What's in the box? Should we open it? Shall we open it? Oh, what's in the box? What's in the box? It's sweetie pies for Valentine's Day. Sweetie pie. Oh, Gracie, look. So this is what it looks like. We have a Valentine's Day theme, which I thought was a lot of fun, and it's one of the reasons that I opted for it this month. So we are going to, one by one, pull things out. Excuse me. First, hey, hey, can I have that? I think maybe she likes it. So hang on, can you sit, please? You sit. Thank you. We have a really, really cute glass of strawberry champagne. Hey, I said sit. Thank you. Rosé champagne flute. Super, super cute. I actually really like this because this will be easy to hold on to. Well, she brutally attacks it. Okay, there you go. There you go. Psycho. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, we have rosé. Hey, come here. We have a little really cute bottle of rosé, and it's crinkly. Oh. Oh my gosh. You're crazy. You're crazy. Oh, I thought it was fuzzing, but no, that's just the texture of the thing. Okay, so we have rosé. I will say, this has an extra small on it, so they do size their toys appropriately for the little monsters that you're buying it for. Hey, can you wait? You're a manic little psycho. I want to see what the card says. Squeaker, crazy crinkle, pose and play, it says. There you go. Let's see what this one's. You can't have both. This one is Squeaker, crazy crinkle, pose and play. All right. So now we have another one, and it is this hey, it's a really cute cupcake that says puppy love on it. Can I please? Hey, let me show them. Can you sit? Gracie, sit. Puppy love cupcake. So cute. Size small, Squeaker and crazy crinkle. Okay. There you go. And then we have a batch made in heaven. Sweetie Pie's Barkery. Hey. Look. How cute is this? Dog toy. Multi-part toy. 3 squeakers. Oh, heaven help us all. And crazy crinkle. Let's see how this works. There's 2, so we have cute little baked goods. And then we have the bag. So there's a squeaker sewn into the bag. but then you can put the treats in the bag. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Now you can carry your little bag around. Oh my gosh. And it looks like there's a whole bunch of other goodies in here too. Okay, come here. Come here, Psycho. What do we have here? How to BarkBox. Okay, we have to contain the monster. Let's see. Can you just chill for just a minute? Just a minute? Can we read this? Can you read it? At least 2 mind-blowing toys designed in-house with unique materials like spiky ball cores. Oh, she would love that. Plush for every play style. And dozens of innovative squeakers. 2 full bags of treats made with mouth-watering premium ingredients. Never any added wheat, soy, or corn. Yum. A scrumptious chew chosen from the highest quality partners. In a word, nawesome. Party on, pups. A new theme every box. A surprise party every dang month. Whether you're ripping through outer space or wrestling with dinosaurs, there's always a new adventure to sink your teeth into. From now on, your dog is going to be, nice burp, thanks for that, ridiculously excited every time a package shows up. Your dog plus your mailman equals a start of a brand new friendship. Okay, so now, Miss Thing, I know that you're a toy person, but we need to look at the treats. You want a treat? You want a treat? Let's look. Let's see what's in here. We have Wakey Wakey Soft Bakes Bacon and Oatmeal recipe. Ooh, how does that sound, Gracie? And then we have Oinky Bay Jerky Bites. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh, but wait, there's more because it's a double box. I forgot. Gobble Jerky Bars turkey recipe and Moo Moo Jerky Bars beef recipe. Oh, how cute. And then we have, these are the chews, I think, chew stick. Beef recipe, small chew, and pumpkin and honey recipe in small chew. Should we open a treat for you, Gracie? So here is what the box says. It has a little picture of all of the options of the toys for the month based on size, and I got 4 of them. Gracie is beside herself. All right, so now, what do you say? Should we give her a treat? Hey, you want to try one of these? Which one do you like? Pick one. Pick one. Here, this one? This one? Want to do the pink ones? Should we have one of these? All right, let's have one of these. Oinky Bay Jerky Bites. Come here, baby. You sit. You sit. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh. What's this? Oh my gosh. Can you come here? I'm not gonna make you work for it. Come here. Come here. Sit, please. Down. Down. Up. Paw. Other one. Sit pretty. Sit. No. Hey, you don't get a treat until you calm down. Calm down. I know this BarkBox is very exciting. I know. It's very exciting. Come here. Okay. I need you to sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Hey. Pretty. Bang! You got a sweet pea. What do you think? Oh, we like it. We like it a lot. Oh my goodness. So this is very, very, very fun. The upside is she's thrilled about literally everything. The downside is, the only downside is I got the double-sized box for the first round. And so in the coming months, I will only get 2 treats and 2 toys, which, I mean, she's so spoiled. Does she really need 4 toys a month? No. But this is a lot of fun. So, can I? So, this was her first BarkBox. And I have no idea if this video is any good or not, but I wanted to film it because at any rate, I thought it would be hilarious. So I will have a link down below if you are interested in getting BarkBox for your pup. I'm excited to see how these toys hold up with her. She's a menace when it comes to destroying toys, especially since they have squeakers. And so it'll be interesting to see how these hold up and if the subscription is actually worth it for my little monster. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. I hope you enjoyed the chaos, and I'll see you next time.